Hey there everyone, hope you guys are doing great today. So I'm really excited about this video. I just got something in the mail today that I've been waiting for a few days now. So it's a new camera that I just ordered. It's actually the Sony A6300 and I've been wanting to upgrade it to a better camera for a little while now, since I've been using my phone to record my YouTube videos for the past couple years. So I definitely felt that it was time for an upgrade. Although recently I have been recording in 4K at 30 frames per second with my iPhone, but I felt that a mirrorless camera would be a much better upgrade. So I got the Sony A6300. We're gonna be unboxing it. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right in. So here we have it. Let's get right in. Let's open up this box first. Looks like they taped it up really good. There we go, that should do it. So here we have the Sony A6300. This is the box that it comes in. Let's put this to the side. So here in the front of the box just says Sony A6300, has a picture of the camera. Here is a wall plug charger that it came with. So let's go ahead and open up the box here from the top. So first thing we're gonna notice here is the manual, and in here we have the camera. So let's go ahead and pull it out so we can check it out. And there we have the Sony A6300. Beautiful looking camera, very solid frame. It does feel pretty heavy. And as you can see, here are the buttons up here at the top, the on and off button. It comes with this 16 to 50 millimeter optical steady shot lens that comes standard with the camera. So let's put it to the side really quick so we can see what else came with the camera. So here is the wall plug adapter, travel charger. Looks like here we have a international charger. Here we have the micro USB to USB cable. And here we have the battery. It is a 1020 mAh battery. And here we have a neck strap so that we can strap it onto the camera and hang it around our neck. And then here we have this rubber little piece here. This goes in the back of the camera where you can look in through to take pictures and videos. So you just click it in there. So let's take a look at the screen here. The screen does not flip over to the side like most of the cameras. That is one thing that I don't like about this camera. But it flips out and you can kind of position it in a couple different ways. So the battery goes down here. We can go ahead and push it in there. And the SD card goes right under it. And then we can flip the switch to close it. So here we have the lens. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic cover. So it is, like I said, a 16 to 50 millimeter optical steady shot lens. And if you press this button, you can rotate it to the side and remove the lens completely and replace it with a different lens. Or when you're ready, just place it back in, press the button and rotate it to the other side. So here on this side, we're gonna have a couple different ports here. We're gonna have a charging port, a port to connect the USB to the computer, and we're gonna have a 3.5 millimeter microphone jack. So let's go ahead and compare it now with the iPhone 10. All right, so here I'm just recording with both the iPhone 10 selfie camera and with the Sony A6300. Just kind of have it facing at me. And I know the image stabilization is probably gonna be better on the iPhone because this Sony A6300, they don't make them, they don't come with image stabilization. But the lens says it has optical steady shot. So we'll see how well that does. When I'm standing still, it's probably not gonna be shaking as much, but when I'm walking is when you'll notice the difference. so you just saw some pictures that have been taken with the new Sony A6300 mirrorless camera, and some pictures that were also taken with the iPhone 10. So this video right now, I'm recording it with the iPhone 10. This is 4K at 30 frames per second, and the audio is being recorded straight through the microphone on the iPhone. So I'm not using this Blue Yeti mic that I have here right now. We're just testing the video and mic recording quality of the iPhone. And I'm about 3 or 4 feet away from the iPhone. And now let's do it with the Sony. Alright, and this is the same shot, but now with the Sony A6300. This is 4K at 30 frames per second as well. And the sound is also recording straight from the mic on the Sony camera. Okay, so with this lens, it is a little bit more zoomed out. This is a 16 to 50 lens. So it's not a macro lens. I'm probably going to end up getting a 10 to 18 millimeter lens to make the shot look more closer. But for now, I'm gonna just put the camera a little bit closer and see if that looks any better. Alright, so I think we have a better shot now. I played around with the angles a little bit, zoomed it in just a tiny bit. Like I said, this lens goes from 16 millimeters all the way to 50 millimeters. So I think this one looks a little bit better. But you guys let me know. Let me know in the comments down below which camera you prefer, the iPhone 10 camera or the Sony A6300. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao!